I remember when I actually moved over to Ireland with Brian, I was pregnant. I couldn't read or write. I'm dyslexic. I actually, with Brian being on tour all the time, I did a typing course and I taught myself how to read and write properly.
I never knew that.
No.
That's astounding. That's amazing to have done that.
And so many people, like we always underestimate how many people actually struggle with adult literacy. So to go and do that and teach us that's amazing.
Yeah, and I'll never forget, like, being in Atomic Kitten. I mean, bear in mind, I had 4 sets of foster parents, 3 refuges. I went to 8 different schools, which was very rarely in because my mum never let me go to school, really. So I couldn't even spell the word orange at some point. And I just remember thinking, we was in a restaurant with Atomic Kitten and I couldn't even read the menu. So my manager used to have to read it for me. And then I remember I was so dim when it came to restaurants, because my local restaurant was like a chippy, you know, a fish and chip shop. I was in this Mexican restaurant. I'll never forget, Liz ordered fajitas. And I was like, oh my God, she's going to eat a dead baby. Chicken fetus. That's how uneducated I was with food. Whereas my children are very educated with food, very educated. You know, you can go in restaurants sometimes and feel so intimidated. Not anymore, obviously.
Yeah.
But and I've wrote 6 books.